Hi there, Daragma here. Today video we're going to learn how to use autofill in Excel to save us a lot of time. So let's get right into it. To use autofill for the days of the week, all what you get to do is to add the first day. So for example, you can type Monday over here, and then what you want to do is to go to the corner of that cell. So it's the right bottom corner where you will see a small black plus. Now it's important that you see the small black plus, not this one with arrows pointing everywhere. Because if you use this one and try to drag it, you're dragging the cell itself. And that's not really what we want. What we want is that we want to use a small black plus at the corner of the cell, and then when we find it, we click and hold the click, and then we drag down, and then we will see the names will automatically fill for me till the end. Now notice the moment you reach Sunday, it will start repeating itself, and that's a good thing if that's what you need, but of course you can stop on Sunday if you want. Now, can you apply the same thing for numbers? Yes, but there is a little trick around it. So if you go to this cell and add number 1, then you try to autofill, Excel will think that you're trying to repeat the number at a certain number of times. But we need to give Excel a hint that we are trying to fill the numbers from 1 to 10. The easiest way, you go at the bottom where you see the autofill option, you click on it, and then you tell Excel, I don't want a copy of those cells, I want to fill a series. The moment you click on it, it will change to numbers, as you can see. The same apply for dates, really. You can start with adding the date in the format that you prefer. Then again, go to the right corner where you see the small black plus, and then you can drag down and you can see it will fill or autofill for the dates. Now a nice shortcut, as long as you created a table that has an ending point, so for example here row number 10 is the ending point, all what you get to do is to go to this small auto plus sign and simply double click. So the double click will help you use autofill to autofill the values till the end of the table. And a last note, it's good to know that you can do autofill automatically for all of those at once, meaning I can simply autofill all of this at once by selecting Monday and the date and the whole range without selecting really the headers. And then I can go to editing, and then from editing I go to fill, and then I can choose series. All what I have to change over here is selecting autofill for the type instead of linear, and then press OK, and Excel will autofill the whole thing for you right away. If you find this video helpful, please add a comment, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Ciao for now.